Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to give you a clear and easy to understand summary of the pros and cons of using Quillbot. It is supported by real world sources. So let's get started. Now when it comes to ease of use, Quillbot has an intuitive interface, browser and word extensions, streamlined workflow, and has minimal learning curve. When it comes to the cons, some features like advanced grammar or summarizer requires premium access. Now when we look at the paraphrasing modes of Quillbot, we have 7 modes: the standard, fluency, creative, formal, shorten, expand, simple, which is ideal for tone style control. But the con is that the free tier is limited to just 2 modes and 125 word chunks, so larger text needs upgrade. Now, if you look at the writing tools of Quillbot, we have built-in grammar checker, summarizer, plagiarism checker, citation generator, multifunctional co-writing. But the con is that the grammar and plagiarism features aren't as robust as best-in-class tools like Grammarly and Tunit. Now, if you look at time efficiency, Quillbot speeds writing by paraphrasing, summarizing, and refining content quickly. The con is that the output sometimes is awkward, oversimplified, or requiring manual editing for clarity. Now look at affordability. Quillbot has a free tier that is generous, premium plan is also affordable for about $4 to $10 per month. While the con is that the premium subscription is needed for full capabilities, so no one-off purchase available. Next, language support. Yes, it supports about 50 plus languages for paraphrasing and summarizing. The con is that the quality of the output can vary between languages and may lose nuisance in translation. Now, another pro is when you look at the reliance and detection aspect of it. You see, it helps non-native speakers improve clarity and vocabulary, and AI detector is also available. The con of this is that the over-reliance can undermine personal writing skills. Paraphrased text may also be flagged by AI detectors. So let's look at real user feedback. A user said it is convenient but don't always rely on it. Yes, that is one Redditor that praised the convenience but warned against over dependence, noting that it should be used primarily for polishing only. Now another user says paraphrasing tools are extremely dangerous. You have likely breached academic misconduct. That is, a user reported high AI detection scores even for personal writing polished using Quillbot. So, in summary, Quillbot is ideal for quick paraphrasing, grammar fixes, summarizing, and drafting multilingual content. Its strength lies in versatile modes, comprehensive writing tools, intuitive UI, and very budget friendly. But keep in mind that the outputs often require human review for nuances and accuracy, and heavy reliance to preserve writing skills. Avoid heavy reliance to preserve your writing skills, and be aware of academic or detection tools flagging your content. Hope you found this video helpful.